Hey, this is day 12 of 100 Days, 100 Business Ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. Ever click on a brand's Instagram page and their highlight icons are just chaos? No covers, random fonts, no branding, it looks messy. That's your opportunity. You create Instagram highlight cover packs, simple icons, minimal design, branded colors, and charge $15 to $50 per pack. Use Canva, no Photoshop, no stress. You build a template, beauty brand, food blogger, fitness coach, and sell the same one multiple times with tweaks. You can also upsell custom versions. Send me your logo, your vibe, and I'll match the whole pack to your aesthetic. Where do you sell it? Etsy, Gumroad, Instagram DMs, even Fiverr. Or better, scroll Instagram. Find small brands with ugly highlights. DM them. Hey, your content's great, but your highlights could pop. Want me to redesign them? It's simple, fast, useful, and people love the instant glow up.